Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I made Easter ornament tags. They're so easy and they're so adorable. The first thing I did was apply the acrylic paint, and I found that using a foam brush was a lot easier. It made less streaking. And I picked my image and then I cut it on cardstock and used that as a stencil. And then to kind of speed up the process of drying, I used a heat gun. And then once everything was completely dry, I Podged it. And I found that it helps keep the paint, it adds a little shine to it, and it just protects everything that you're doing. I also bought a little bunny at the dollar store as well, a little wood cutout bunny, and painted that. And then just used the glue gun to attach it to the ornament. And I think it turned out super cute, you guys. What do you think? It was super easy, and of course I used a little bit of cotton ball for the tail and just used the glue gun for that as well. But let me know what you guys think of this project. It's super easy, so leave a comment below, let me know, and as always, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.